Hello guys, welcome back to Win32. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Win32 bridge server.exe error. Startup cannot create a file when that file already exists, and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go here in the start and you have to click on settings. Now from here you just have to go to apps, select this. From here you have to go for apps and features and you have to search for Cortana. You have to search for Cortana and you have to select this. Okay, now click on advanced option. Now from here you just have to scroll down and there is an option called reset, right? So you just have to tap on this reset and go for reset. Okay, you just have to tap on it and wait for it. Once after that you just have to do a very normal restart. As you can see that we have done the reset. Now you just have to close this and you just have to click over here and you have to click here and go for a restart, and most probably it has to be fixed, and if it's not working then we have a solution 2. So solution 2 is all about, you just have to go here in the search and you have to search for Windows PowerShell. You have to search for Windows PowerShell. Now you just have to get this and now click on run as administrator and you have to go for yes. And now here you have to give a command which is very quite common, sfc space / scan. Now you have to give this command and just press enter. Now once you press enter, it started getting the verification, so it's going to take a little bit time, so you have to wait for until it is 100%. So you just have to wait for it, and once after that we have to give another one more command, so that will be I'll be giving in the description, so you don't have to worry. You can copy paste that from itself and you can do this up. So you just have to wait for this complete unless you have to wait for it is getting 100%. So let's wait for it. So guys, once it is done, you just have to close this up and you have to go for it. And now once again you just have to search the same process. Go here in the search and you have to search for Windows PowerShell. Once again you have to search for Windows PowerShell and now just click on run as administrator once again and go for yes. Now here you have to give a command which I mentioned, so I'll be providing that in the description, so you don't have to worry. Just copy this one, just copy this and you just have to paste here on the Windows PowerShell and you just have to press enter. And this will also take you have to wait for 100%, so it's like a verification, so you just have to wait for it. So it's going to take a little bit time, so you can see that you have to wait for it. So what you have to do is we'll be minimizing this, and in between I'll be showing you one more step. So after trying this you have to do a restart, and if it's not working then we have solution 3. Solution 3 is all about nothing much, you just have to go to this. So I'll be providing link in the description, so where you have to go to Microsoft software and you have to scroll down, and now there is an option called download tool now, right? You just have to click on this and you have to install this. Okay, you have to install this tool on your PC, and once after installing this tool on your PC you just have to go for what I have to say is you just have to go for do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely because I have already installed this, so I'm closing this. After this what you have to do is you just have to do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope these are the basic steps that you have to try when you're having this issue, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.